Yeah, we are on.
Yeah.
So, hi Richa, welcome to the session, last session of LFP as we call it, the Lifestyle Foundation Plan. So,
Hi,
if you can introduce yourself in 2 lines, because I'll also use this to inspire others.
I'm Richa Chaudhary and I have been following Nishant's guidance for past 2 years.
Oh, awesome. So, although you are officially not the exact part of the LFP, but you've always been taking my advice on and off. So, what was your reason for joining the LFP or the Lifestyle Foundation Plan or following me? What was your goal and what was your reason? I'm sure you must have done many things in the past. So, but what was the reason for taking up this one?
Um, I think because it came from you, because you suggested it, so I did it. Because it's like I totally trust you when it comes to fitness and health. And whenever you have suggested me something and I followed it, I myself could see the benefits. I mean, not just benefits, it's like tremendous change and tremendous benefits which I felt. So that's why, since it came from you, I did it, and definitely I can see the difference.
Great. So what are those differences? If you can just mention a few of them as to what were the benefits that you got, or you can feel the difference as you're saying.
um, like I always wanted to wake up early, so that was a challenge which I was never able to do. But I don't know, like this time I could do it. And not just that, like after waking up, you are lost in your thoughts, or sometimes you just check out your phone, or you don't have a direction. But when I followed your guidance in that, when I wake up, you told suggested some rituals to us. So and I have been doing that.
Yes.
And the best part which I like is doing Surya Namaskar in front of the sun on rooftop. So
So
and
you get
plus,
direction. What you mean to say is you get direction right from the beginning of the day. You're not spending time lost here and there,
yeah,
trying to gather yourself. कि क्या है, क्या करना है आज.
first
It's more
1 hour
focused.
important to set the day, because when you do the Surya Namaskar, you feel so focused, and now like I totally feel connected to myself and the sun as well. The heat which we are getting, it just recharges me, and I'm active and energetic throughout the day. Like it doesn't end to my workout. Even after I work out, I have been doing some physical work, and I don't get tired. Like that energy is there to do all the activities of the day.
So that's
So
high on energy is one of the benefits.
yeah, yeah.
Great. So anything else? Because people, don't understand directly the energy factor. So more of what people can relate to. This is once you experience, then you understand what high energies are all about. But I'm sure people who haven't yet experienced it really don't relate to it. So maybe
And
some more relatable achievements or benefits.
yeah, and definitely it enhances the mood as well.
Hmm.
Like no matter, like even if you're going through ups and downs, like the meditation which you suggested me to do in the morning, the gratitude meditation, I make sure I do it.
Yes.
And when we start doing it, sometimes we feel like uh what to feel gratitude about, but when you start doing it, then you
Amazing.
realize there are so many things to feel gratitude about. And then throughout the day, I think no matter what happens, you can think much more calmly and much more positively, whether it's your work or
So,
anything.
so that's what I generally mention, that our approach is always holistic, and no problem in our life is can anytime be isolated either with the body or the mind. It has to be a holistic approach. So what you're talking is about, better mood, better energies. So that is something which has to go along with the health program. Otherwise, a health program would not be as effective or as long lasting, unless the mind is connected with the body also. So that is one part which you mentioned. That's great.
Yeah. And then the third part, like about the food habits, our eating habits. So, like earlier, I could never think of keeping a fast. So you made me do a week long detox fast, and that was the first time I ever fasted in my life, and I was
And you
able
could
to
do
do
it.
it. Yeah. So the
Yes.
first initial 2.5 days were very tough for me to get adjust to it. But then after that, I think it made me more connected to my own body, and
Yes.
my body had also adjusted to it. So that was the reason I was able to continue it. So it
So
wasn't, it was
when we
forced.
stop eating, because continuously eating, gives us a sense of satisfaction, happiness, a different kind of an artificial happiness it gives us, because we overeat generally. What we Even the healthy food, we eat a lot more than what is required, so we don't
Yeah,
really get time to connect with ourselves. So
yeah,
when we are on a fast, we get that time to connect with ourselves. It's not only about the body. The fast is also about the mind, when we get time to connect with ourselves. Otherwise, we are busy eating the whole day. We hardly get time to even introspect and think about our own self. So that is
yeah.
good, good, good.
And I felt a connection with my stomach after that. Like even after completing that 1 week, where then when I got back to the usual diet, I could feel a connection to my stomach. It was like I can listen to its voice now, like when to eat. It was telling me like when to stop, when it's done, when to eat. I could actually feel it, the difference now.
That's the biggest battle that we have won. If we can listen to our body and understand, then the 90% of the problems will be solved, because most of the problems, health related problems, comes with eating. And eating is not only about junk food, as I always say. Eating is about even good part. If we keep on eating more than what is required, it accumulates as toxins in our body. So if we can understand our body, our stomach, as you're saying, 90% of the problem is solved there, because we will not overeat. And as soon as we will not overeat, the toxins won't accumulate inside our body, and we'll be always healthy. So that's amazing that you mentioned.
And now sometimes, even if I overeat sometimes now, like, it doesn't feel that I've overeaten.
Mhm.
And once in a while, if I even eat like outside food also, even
Uh,
it doesn't feel heavy at all the way it used to feel earlier.
so ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बाहर का नहीं खाना है या कभी नहीं खाना है, because I hope you're not into that
I
regime where you're
difference. Like I had chole bhature once
uh,
on one day, but even then, like, I didn't feel as if I've eaten chole bhature. It felt so light. And
because
earlier,
I think you must not have overeaten, because the biggest mistake that we do generally, even if when we are eating outside, is that we tend to overeat. Even if we are having junk food or bahar ka khana, more than the bahar ka khana, the overeating is the bigger devil.
yeah.
So
And plus,
probably
we're giving the gaps which our stomach needs right
right.
now. So that is also one of the reasons.
So if you follow a overall eating habit, even if you eat outside once in a while, it really does not matter, because you're
Yeah,
eating within that routine. So thoda bahut idhar udhar, our body is equipped to handle that kind of little bit of abuse. The body can handle.
yeah. And the best part is that I'm able to sustain it.
Yeah, so
Like,
that was my next question. Or before coming to that next question, the more popular question, whether did you get any weight loss or not? Because while whatever you are just saying, these are the more important ones, the more valuable ones, high on energy, listening to your body, feeling good, feeling positive. All these things are far more important, but somehow we in the material world relate a lot towards weight loss. So I have to ask that question.
yeah. So I did this plan. I joined this plan in January, I think. It's starting of January, I think. So since then, I've lost 6 kgs
Okay.
and some inches as well. I think 3, 4 inches and 6 kgs.
Okay, so
And
that's about in a period of 2.5 to 3 months is the.
yeah, in fact, my sister, like my cousin, she didn't recognize me only when I was entering the house. She was like, "Oh my God, I didn't recognize you. I saw your bag and then I understood that."
So I
Yeah,
hope this weight loss is, you've already said that you're high on energy, because many times weight loss brings along low energy, because if we lose the weight the wrong way, we will be actually, becoming low on energy, and don't want to do stuff and become weak. So I think you just mentioned that you were already high on energy and you didn't feel weak, and You were in fact
No, no,
doing
no,
more
no.
stuff than what you were doing.
Great. Yeah. And in fact, weight loss had never been the focus. In fact, I myself, I don't check the weight that often, but it has happened. It was part of the process.
Right. So that is what I call as not weight loss, but weight optimization, because you have given the right environment to the body. Now the body will optimize in all aspects. Weight
Yeah.
being just one of them. Weight is not just one, not the only aspect where the body optimizes. The body optimizes at all levels, whether it is your mind, whether it is your stomach, whether it is your, other diseases which are there inside, the toxins, out of which
Yeah.
weight is also one of the criterias or one of the factors where the body starts optimizing, because you have given the optimum environment to the body. So now the body is responding and optimizing itself. So that's what I call it, more like a weight optimization rather than a weight loss, because weight loss can come in many ways,
Yeah.
healthy, unhealthy, rapid, crash, sustainable, unsustainable. So weight loss can come in many ways. But as soon as you call it weight optimization, that means that is the best thing that your body is doing, which is best for itself. And hence, it can never go wrong.
Yeah.
So now is the second question whether it is sustainable or not, because most programs or most people have a feeling कि भाई जब तक एक program कर रहे हैं तब तक तो result आता है, तब तक तो जो भी है weight loss बोल लीजिए या जो भी target है वो होता है. But once you discontinue, then what? That is the question. So what is that in your case?
Um, I think it's very much sustainable. Like I started it in Jan, and till now I have been on it, and I didn't feel the need to go back to to go back to my old habits because I myself I'm enjoying it so much, and it's very sustainable because I don't have to ask you for a plan or anything. I don't have to call you like to ask what I have to eat like a week after or tomorrow, give me a plan, nothing like that. So you have told me the concepts, and now it's up to me, whatever home
So in
food
other words,
I cook
this
or I
plan
want
this
to eat, I can have.
So in other words, this plan is now permanent. You don't have to get to me always to get a new plan. You can build it on yourself.
Yeah, and plus I can eat anything I want in this.
Right. Absolutely. So
Yeah.
I have identified three things. Generally, I ask everybody, what I have tried to do in the plan, which makes it sustainable. So anything which involves a lot of cost on a regular basis will not be sustainable. So are you having to spend anything on a regular basis in terms of maybe supplements or whatever?
In fact, we're spending less.
Yeah, you're spending less because you're eating all probably your seasonal fruits and seasonal vegetables, which are more cheap, which are cheaper than any fancy stuff.
We're not eating the junk pizza or anything from outside, so we are spending less.
Yeah. So junk has gone down, and even the seasonal
The
fruits if you have,
home cooked food has
home
increased.
cooked food will be cheaper, and then the seasonal fruits, even in the fruits, you get a lot of fancy fruits, जो off season है या outside imported है. So all those are also like very expensive. I hope so. You don't need to really, include those in your diet. I hope that is what you are following. So the more seasonal you have,
Yeah. It's
the
just the
more.
nuts I've added to it.
Uh,
So that was a good point. Otherwise, you tend to miss them, nuts and seeds.
yeah, of course. So
Yeah.
those are cheaper only. So that's your cost has gone down instead of cost going up. So you don't have to spend anything on supplements, etc., on a regular basis. Otherwise, it will not be, sustainable. No matter how much money we have, एक running expense अगर आता है तो कहीं ना कहीं it starts pinching somewhere or the other, right? So definitely. Second is it high on time? Does it require a lot of time? बहुत ज्यादा कुछ करना है दिन में 2-3 घंटा 4 घंटा खाली इसी को दे रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ है क्योंकि अगर वैसा कुछ रहेगा तो again that will not be sustainable.
Yeah. No, no, no. It doesn't require any time because for like in the morning to do all those rituals, it just takes half an hour.
Right.
Exactly half an hour. And after that, it's up to you whether you want to do the workout for 30 minutes more or 1 hour. It's totally up to you. And when it comes to diet, you don't have to plan anything.
Don't have to
It's
spend
you do
time on it.
dinner which you cook at home.
Right.
So you don't have to put your brains into anything.
Right. So hardly, well, 60 minutes in a day is the maximum that you need to specifically allocate towards it. I think 1 hour is what we can easily give. उससे
Yeah,
ज़्यादा देने का दरकार नहीं है.
yeah,
Great. Second, the third is if it is very high on effort, again, it is not sustainable. So effort will be both physical as well as mental. So mental effort would be कि ये नहीं खाना, वो नहीं खाना है, crave yourself, अपने आप को, deprive करो. So anything of that.
yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I don't feel deprived at all. I'm loving it. Like whatever I'm eating, I'm loving it. I'm
And
not
the,
having things.
and the
And it's
best part is I haven't told you what to eat. You are eating it on your own only, whatever you're eating. I just gave you the concepts.
like on Sunday, if I feel like eating something, then I eat it.
Yeah.
But rest of the days, I'm sticking to those concepts. So Sunday I keep, if I want to eat something, then I eat it or binge it, and that's it.
Great. So no mental effort as such, and physical also effort. कोई ऐसा बहुत नहीं कि 2 घंटा gym करना है, ऐसा कुछ करना है. So no physical effort also, I guess.
I think it's going on the right track only, whatever I'm doing.
No, I'm just asking you so that others can also understand that we have this feeling कि बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है तब जाकर sustainable होता है. Otherwise, जब तक program रहता है तब तक ही benefit मिलता है. Once we discontinue the plan, then everything we lose.
I could never think that I could reach here, that I can reach here. Like, I think whatever I'm weighing right now, I must have weighed it like before college, this much.
For
Yeah,
college,
yeah.
that is what in 15
I
years you're
couldn't
weighing
believe,
the
like, I
least.
wanted to reach here, but I didn't know the right knowledge of how to reach here. So I feel the right knowledge is very important, and dedication is very important, basically, the consistency. And even if people are consistent, right knowledge is very important. So that I got it from you. Yeah.
Thank you. Cool. So it is sustainable, and so this is a promise that I am recording on camera that you're going to continue this for life. I would say because there is nothing you yourself have said everything that nothing is neither it's costly, neither it's time consuming, neither it is high on effort. So there is no reason for not to continue for life.
Yes. And when you see the benefits yourself, you won't want to go back to your old habits.
Great. So I'm taking that commitment from you that you're going to continue this for life and you don't need to spend anything, no cost, no money, no time, nothing. You can do it easily.
Comical.
Cool. So one major learning out of the program, if you can mention.
One major learning.
Yeah, one of the most important thing which you learned or realized or whatever.
That our bodies are very adaptable.
Mm-hmm.
And we can, like, it can go beyond the boundaries.
So if I can just refine it, that if the right environment is given, our body can do wonders and magic.
Yeah, like within a week, the habits can be changed.
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
that's a very
So
important thing that
once you fall into that habit, you won't crave for those old habits then.
right. So many people feel कि वो craving कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. So it's a very simple thing that 7 days का थोड़ा सा हो सकता है कि initially कष्ट हो, but then once your body adapts very fast. That's a very important point you mentioned that our bodies adapt very fast. And most people who have started following a healthy diet, the actually cravings go down because cravings are nothing but lack of nutrients that the body is not getting, and hence the body is demanding food. वो हम लोग को craving लगता है, but actually it is the lack of nutrients which the body is demanding. And since the language we do not understand that what the body is demanding, we feel it is craving for food, and we just keep on eating food. Once you start giving the required nutrients to the body, automatically the body adapts and it stops craving as much as it used to crave earlier. So that is one of the bigger reasons why we don't feel cravings after following a healthy routine. So that was But that's a great point that yes, our body is very adaptable and we do not realize that. And small
Then
changes within
I
7
did that detox.
Sorry?
And I realized that point when I did 1 week detox.
Yes. Cool. So one final message for others, how you can inspire others.
uh, I think just stick to basics. Just know the right knowledge.
Yes.
You should have the right knowledge and then just stick to basics. That's it. It's very simple, nothing complicated.
So that is what again we tend to believe in complicated things. So that's also a very good point that you mentioned. That it's actually very simple. We make it complicated by talking too much about it, by saying ये करना है, वो करना है, ऐसा करना है, वैसा करना है. But actually
Yeah,
it's very simple. Stick to the basics,
yes,
and you will see magic happening in your life because our body is so well designed. It's designed by the creator himself. So it cannot be, anything short of a miracle. It's just
yeah,
that we don't give it the right environment. And
true.
by doing simple things, we can do that. By developing simple habits, we can do that. So you mentioned very important points like habits we can easily develop and change. Even bad
Yeah,
habits can change very easily. And
yeah,
keeping it simple is the mantra so that you can do it for life and keep enjoying the benefits.
yes.
Great. So I think we are not in touch as far as the plan is concerned with over a month or so, maybe. But you are continuing, like you mentioned, and you're still probably your
Yes,
body is still optimizing towards
yeah,
better and better health. तो
yeah.
प्लान के बाद भी कुछ वेट लॉस हुआ है
Plan के बाद
मतलब till whatever time you were in touch with 1:1 or in the group उसके बाद also I think you have continued. So have
when
you
I
continued?
detox fasting week, so after that I lost 4 kg
After that
and
you lost.
yeah,
So
yeah.
that is even without remaining in touch, even without being a part of the plan. I mean, when the plan was over, so you're still getting your weight loss, right?
I just measured it few days back. So now I've lost 6 kgs.
Okay, so that
But
is after the plan.
6 kgs plus 3 inch loss, 3 inches.
Great. So what I
Yeah.
mean to say that even after the plan, you're continuing to lose, or your body is still optimizing, right? Because the plan is not the end. The plan is the beginning, is what I try to
It's a,
explain to people. and and we build the lifestyle, and then once you continue that lifestyle into the future, you keep getting the benefits forever. That is the idea. It's not like a one time thing ki ek baar karaye or benefits mil gaya and then you're back to square one. So that's the
and one I've noticed, like earlier, like before doing that plan, like I used to get a lot of headaches when I used to overexert or I used to do like workout, like heavy workout, like stepper for more than an hour. I used to get headaches
yeah.
after exerting. So after this, those things have gone down. Like
Yeah,
now
because
I'm
nothing is in extremes, no? Because anything if we do in extremes, we will definitely the body will react. So now nothing in extreme is required. Everything in moderation is the key.
yeah, yeah.
You don't have to work out for 2 hours. You don't have to remain hungry for days. You don't have to, do anything in
Like earlier
extreme.
I was eating more. I wasn't hungry earlier. I was eating more. I was eating everything, even the junk, everything. And I was getting more headaches. So now I'm eating, like I'm choosing well. And though that issue has gone. Yeah.
So currently, you are only satisfying your physiological hunger. Earlier, you were also satisfying your psychological hunger, maybe.
Yeah.
But I hope you don't remain hungry, that you eat less and you are reducing. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना? You're having your पूरा पेट भर के खाना. You're having ना. You're not feeling deprived or not feeling that.
No, no. When I eat, I don't think like how much I'm eating. I, I eat according to my body, whatever.
Great.
Yeah.
Great, Richa. So thanks a lot for this session, and wishing you all the best to continue
Yeah.
with the plan and becoming more and more healthy by the
Thank
day.
you for showing me this path. Yeah. Otherwise, it was impossible for me to reach here where I've reached.
No, you are a great soldier. You are committed definitely to your own good health. So either ways, you would have found the right way.
So,
I'm glad that.
you have given me, like, those were like amazing, like really nice, like has totally transformed
Which
my day.
one? Which one? I missed the word. What did you say?
The tips which you gave me, the guidance,
My
yeah, those
guidance.
were so amazing. It has totally transformed my lifestyle, and every day, like it has changed each day I live.
Of course. So there's an element of happiness along with health. अब हम लोग खाली वेट पे फोकस करते हैं. The happiness that comes with good health, that's something else. I mean, the high energies, the positivity, the happiness, that is what we are actually looking for. And
Yeah,
that is what we must ultimately get out of any health program also, not just weight loss.
yeah.
ठीक है, weight loss भी आएगा ही, weight loss भी हुआ ही है. So
Now I noticed one more thing, like if I do my stepper now, though I used to do it earlier as well. So I'm able to talk even after my stepper or while doing my stepper, I'm able to talk
yeah,
like this.
stamina has gone up.
Yeah, so even that has gone up.
Great. You are doing a great job. So continue.
Yeah.
And chalo, all the best. Thank you for sharing your experience and hope this will inspire many more also. That is
Yes,
what is our duty,
yes.
to pass on
Definitely.
the flame to others also. Great.
Okay.
Chalo, all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.